1985 John Deere S92 has had a hard life. Let me show you. No seat. 11 horse Briggs. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, folks. Oops. Literal dirt and plant life growing on the mower deck. That's good compost right there. There's the deck. Everything spins, but she's grindy. Yeah, it's pretty bad. I had this engine running before, but it sat somewhere where it shouldn't have sat, and well, it got water in the crankcase. Yeah, Exhibit A. Milkshake, not good. So we're gonna try and get this thing fixed up. Might put a new engine on it. Sorry, my hand is shaking. So let's see what we can do with this one. Stay tuned.